I'm about to share with you 3 major reasons why homes don't sell in a hot market and what you can do to avoid that outcome yourself. The good news is that everything is in your control. Hi, I'm Dan Schuler with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and I help people sell their homes fast for top dollar with the least amount of hassle. And stay tuned at the end of this video where you have an opportunity to get a free report entitled How to Sell a House That Didn't Sell. If your home has just come off the market and didn't sell, don't be discouraged or upset. The reason it didn't sell may have nothing to do with your house or the market. Reason number 1 is the condition of your home. Ask yourself, is my home someone else's dream home? Are buyers inspired, and do they think, I love this house? Remember, the decision to buy a home is based on emotion, not logic. And a house that shows well sells for the best price because it outshines the competition. Reason number 2 is marketing. One of the first steps in your marketing plan involves finding the right agent. Compare the knowledge and ask each one to demonstrate how they will market your home to buyers. Also, compare how much money they spend on advertising and where they advertise. To be competitive in today's marketplace, agents who use new and innovative non-traditional marketing approaches are the ones who are selling more homes fast and for top dollar. Reason number 3 is pricing. Do you want the value of your home determined by an algorithm? Ask yourself, did the price work for or against me? See, the right price depends on market conditions, competition, and the condition of your home. Pricing your home too high is as dangerous as pricing it too low. Here are some things that you need to establish in an accurate value range. A review of comparable properties that recently sold. An idea how long those homes were on the market. A review of homes that did not sell and potential reasons why. It takes getting all of the facts so you can make an educated decision on your home's value range. As promised, if you would like to get your free report on how to sell a house that didn't sell, give us a call or text us today.